Russian geologists search for mineral in Magwi, South Sudan. People worry about transparency. Magwi County, Eastern Equatoria, South Sudan. A group of Russian geologists spent 3 days in Magwi County looking for mineral. Their visit has caused mixed feeling among local people who say they were not included in the work. The 9 geologists went to Patoko village and Aleppo Hill in Owinkubul, Payam. They used GPS tool to check the land for mineral. Owinkubul head chief Oyet Joseph Charles say the team collected about 25 grams of soil with a small trace of gold. They told us they will test the soil in a lab. If gold is found, they will come back and make a proper agreement with the community, Oyet explained. The geologists stay at Alliance Secondary School during their visit. Community members say they did this without asking permission, which made people uncomfortable. County commissioners speak. Magwi County Commissioner Benjamin Polepole Olum confirmed the team present. He said the Russians were allowed by the national government. They are not working alone, Olum said. The government asked them to identify resources. Local leaders were informed before they started. Civil society raised alarm. Some civil society leaders are worried. They say leaving out local people in mineral exploration can cause problems. It is not right, say Jimmy Klang, acting chairperson of the Civil Society Network in Eastern Equatoria. The government should involve local people so that resources bring services and development. He asked for more opener and community involvement in such projects. Concern about gold sector. Earlier in May, the Civil Society Coalition on Natural Resources reported problems in South Sudan mineral sector, such as illegal mining, weak control, and lack of accountability. The report says South Sudan produces about 30 to 40 tons of gold every year, but the money from gold is missing in the national budget, while communities living near minerals stay poor. The Russian visitors once again raised question: will these resources benefit the people or only the few in power? For more information, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching and listening.